Welcome. In front of me is a V-Mobile S39, and today I will show you how to access the recovery mode on this device. So you want to begin with powering off the phone. Hold the power key and then select power off. Now once the device shuts off, which will be indicated by the vibration, you want to hold the power key and volume up. So there was the vibration. So power key, volume up, hold both of the keys together. And from here, once you see the boot mode, you want to use only volume up to navigate and select recovery mode and then confirm it with power key or volume down. And then to progress past this, you want to hold power key and tap volume up once. So hold power, tap volume up, and we're now in the recovery mode. So from here you will use both of the volume keys to navigate, so volume down to go down and up to go up, and power key will be used to select whatever you want. And as you can see, you can reboot the system, reboot the bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, wipe cache, and a couple other things. I'm just gonna simply, as an example, reboot the device, so keep the first option selected and then confirm it with power key. And you will see that it's rebooting now. And we should be now back in the Android system once it actually boots into it fully. And there it is. So that is how you would enter and also exit the recovery mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.